Hi, I'm Tim with Sharpertek, and I'd love to show you our 50-gallon vapor degreasing system with power lift, refrigerated cooling zone, a great freeboard ratio, and excellent touchscreen controls here. So what we're doing with this system is defatting of wax injection molded titanium components. So we would have a tray of parts here, which we would place into our basket and hook that onto the system. We can simply send the lift down and then be able to have it go through the vapor zone down into the immersion tank for a programmed amount of time. This machine has a 20 by 18 by 18 tank, so we can fit a good amount of components. A 300-pound capacity lift arm. We do it heavy duty. We have our light tower here to indicate when we're moving, when we're in cycle, and if there's any faults with the system. We are measuring the temperature in several different locations on the system in order to make sure the balance between the heat and the cool for the vapor degreasing process is as efficient and effective as possible. We like to turn over our solvent volume in our tank with our heat very frequently in order to ensure we have a nice vapor cloud and we're able to condense the solvent onto the parts and remove greases and oils. We have a water separator on this, which allows any water that's captured in the refrigeration system to be evacuated via gravity separation with the solvent. And we have our lid here to make sure that we can close it off when it's in process or when it's not in use. There's a sensor on the lid to make sure we know it's open when we're bringing the lift in and out. Pretty set with our vapor degreasing process. So we'll bring this back up. We went down into the immersion tank for a while, and now we're coming back up with the lift arm. We have some great shutdown procedures for this and low energy use processes in order to maintain effective capture of the solvent. We have chillers in each the boil sump and the immersion tank in order to cool the solvent down to stop the evaporation before the condenser shuts off. So once we pulled that up here, our cycle's done. On each of the tanks, we have a clean out port, 8-inch sanitary fitting in order to pull out any gunk or debris that ends up in the tanks. We have filtration system, superheated vapor zone, as well as connections to hook up for a separate still if we want to recover some of that solvent from the oils we're removing. This type of system can be used on a wide range of solvents, from some of the newer fluorinated solvents into the standard non-propyl bromide type solvents and a lot of the stuff in between. Ask your Sharpertek rep for more information. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.